What is up, everybody out there in YouTube land? Jose once again from PetRockMedia.com. We are back with another video, and in this week's video we're going to talk about kind of an update to an older video that was pretty popular, has about 1,000 views, and it is regarding one of my favorite walk-around cameras of all time, and that's the X100 series lineup. Now this one particular is the X100V. Obviously there's updates to megapixels, things like that, but one of my all-time favorite walk-around cameras is the X100 lineup. It's sleek, minimalistic look, just that classic feel to it, right? Well, the video that we're going to be talking about today and the follow-up is how the lens caps differ when you place this square hood from Haoge, is how I'm going to pronounce it. I'm going to leave a link down in the description below, and I'm also going to leave a link to the video that we are talking about today, and that's when you place this square hood on there, what is the difference between having the stock Fujifilm lens cap to the Haoge specific lens cap, because the square hood states that it works with the original. Let's find out here in a bit. All right, everybody. Again, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jose once again with PetRockMedia.com. If this type of content is something you are interested in, photography, cinematography, geeking out, teching out, just all things tech, gaming, and so forth, then this is the channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, punch that bell icon, and don't forget to hit that bell notification so that way you are notified each and every time we post content or go live. Again, today's video, as I mentioned, is a follow-up to a previous video about installation of the Haoge square hood. I'm going to leave the model and a link down below. It is going to be an affiliate link. You don't have to utilize it in order to purchase. You can utilize it, takes you right to the lens hood, and if you want to search for it yourself, you're more than happy to do so. I just want to link it down there, make things a little bit more simplistic for you. Again, it is an affiliate link, so I will get half of a cent if you do purchase it using my affiliate link. Again, you don't have to. It comes at no cost to you. It just helps the channel out a little bit. Now, me personally, again, as I mentioned, I really love Fujifilm's X100 lineups. I've been an early adopter all the way from the original X100, slow autofocusing and all. I really enjoyed using that camera, and the X100V is no exception, right? I absolutely love the just aesthetics of this, the kind of old school film feel that you get on the top of this camera, just the looks of it, right? This thing is beautiful, and I have it on an olive green rope strap. Again, if you want this strap as well, I will leave a link down in the description as well. Just a real generic, I think I got this one off of eBay. I bought a pack of, I think, like 10 soft release shutter buttons. If I find them on Amazon, again, I'll link it down below. This is the thumb grip for the X100V. So again, very sweet, very slick. You'll see my lighting box right there. Very sweet, sleek, minimalistic camera to take with you for street photography. Now, I enjoy also utilizing the square hood from Haoge, and one of the reasons why I purchased it was because it stated that it was compatible with the original Fujifilm lens cap. Now, when I made that video, and you can go back and look at it again, I'm going to leave it linked up in the corners, I didn't like the way the fit was on it. Technically, in theory, it does fit. Get my camera to focus right there. So it does, in theory, fit, right? It's on there, but it is not flush. I mean, if you see that, you could see it even from the back too. It is not flush, right? It is super kind of barely teetering on there. Kind of looks like it's like that. Now you can kind of wiggle it in there and get it to sit, but any type of tap and it doesn't sit right. It really only sits right if you have it just there. So imagine throwing this into your camera bag, your book bag, or so forth. This thing's coming right off, right? So I got a little suspicious because Haoge themselves sells almost an identical lens cap, but it's just a hair bit taller and wider for it to smoothly fit onto the X100. You can see it right there. Now it's sans the Fujifilm logo, obviously, but this is a perfect fit. I mean, it is on there. It's not going anywhere. You see it doesn't move, whereas, and you see you still kind of have to take it off kind of with a little bit of force, whereas this one, it's on there and it moves. Look at that. It moves very easily. And again, this is the original Fujifilm lens cap. So don't take, you know, the words of them saying that it fits. I mean, take it with a grain of salt. In, you know, in theory and technically, does it fit? Yeah. Is it something that I would personally want to walk around with? No, not necessarily, because again, it doesn't fit snug. You can see right here, just by looking at it, you can see the indentions of the square lens hood are super visible, and it's just not snugly fitted on there. Versus if you put on the Haoge one, it completely covers the square lens hood and you don't see any of the indentions from the lens hood as well. So again, just wanted to make a follow-up video to this. Am I upset with Haoge? I mean, it does feel a little bit like false advertising saying that it does fit. I reached out to them, never heard anything back. I purchased all of these with my own money. These are not sponsored. This is not a sponsored review. I just wanted to put this out there in YouTube world so that way you are all made aware that if you are going to purchase the Haoge lens hood, which I personally still recommend because it's one of the cheaper ones of the lens hoods. There are others that are out there that are way more expensive. The Haoge, I believe, is like 35, 40 bucks, and there are some out there that are in the hundreds. But again, if you are going to want to place a lens hood on it, it does technically fit the Fujifilm one, but it's just not something that I felt comfortable with throwing it in my camera bag. The Haoge one themselves fits perfectly, fits very snug, and it is something that I do appreciate, at least it not having like some type of writing on it. At least it's solid black and there is no logo writing, no Haoge logo, anything like that. Again, I really wish they would have been just a little bit more transparent with us, but again, you know, take that however you want. If you choose to not support the company, that's entirely up to you. Me, I didn't mind having to buy the other one. Again, it does allow it to not have the branding on it, which I guess is kind of cool. Again, it's still cheaper than purchasing some of the more expensive square hoods for your Fuji X100 lineup. I'll leave links to everything down below if you're interested in purchasing them. Feel free to use those affiliate links, or at least utilize them to get you where you need to be to purchase it, and then you can purchase it all on your own. Again, at no cost to you does it take for you to utilize the affiliate links, but again, you totally don't have to. You showing up and watching this video is more than enough support. So again, I thank each and every one of you for stopping on by. Let me know down in the comments if you have this particular lens hood and were you a little upset that it didn't fit your Fujifilm lens cap, or let me know if it's something that you could modify that allowed it to fit. I was looking a lot of times on forums and other videos and I couldn't really find anything. Most people are kind of in my same situation where it doesn't really fit quite snugly enough for them. So they ended up buying the Haoge lens cap as well. Again, leave those comments down below. Again, I greatly appreciate each and every one of you stopping on by. I greatly appreciate the support. We're on the road to 5,000 subscribers. Hopefully we will hit that by the end of 2022 with all of your support. Hopefully we will do so. Again, thank all of you for stopping on by. I love you all, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.